Alright, y'all, so this is what the flavor food we're gonna go with today. We're switching up a little bit. Lamb chowder, Purina. We're gonna get them the lamb flavor because the chicken ain't been doing too good for us. So we're gonna have to fuck with this lamb flavor chicken. Lamb flavor dog food. What's the price is $30. So roughly, definitely not, expensive at all. So we're gonna fuck with this Purina dog chow.
Just got my first bag, I'm about to run it up. If your whole team broke, you ain't done
Stupid
enough.
nigga.
I just want a rich Paul network.
Right.
Run it up and show you how this check work.
Just wanna see my team rich and run it up.
Yeah, my bad, y'all. We up in motherfucking Tractor Supply. We gonna check out and see what they got for like sprays and hot spots and stuff like that. Let's see. Where's this? Nah, we don't know about that one. It's too cheap. We're gonna see what we find. This is $10 skin and coat, healthcare, 62 of us. I wonder how accurate does this look. I'm gonna check it out though. Wild Alaskan salmon oil. We gonna probably get this, but I wanna see what this is too. What is this? Packed with omega, and 6 fatty acids. Inside the box is the highest quality wild caught superfood. What does it help with? It says, hold on, y'all. Let me take a look at over here, y'all. We're trying to find something for good for fleas and ticks. Fleas. Trying to find something for fleas. $3 off. What is this? Is this a supplement? Yeah, let's see. It's one of these drops things. I need a supplement. People might have to come spend the money on one of these leashes. These collars. Get them right, man. These supplements, or is this that? Let me see. Yep, it's that. Let's see, it's that. Nah, my dog's not that heavy. We're gonna have to grab one of these joints. We're gonna see what we got going on because a lot of this shit don't be working. You know? So we're gonna see what we get, yeah. We're gonna see, what is this? Pet Armor. Let's see. Senses itches. On the tablet, 25 milligrams. It's gonna be fun to see, man. We're gonna see how it works. Check out the new dog food. Things of that nature. I'll get back with y'all.